Here is how you can blur parts of a photo on an iPhone, so let me guide you through it. If you are first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, to blur parts of a photo, you need to use a third-party app. Using the built-in gallery, we simply don't have that tool available just yet. So this is something that we need to make sure to be done through a third-party app. So you need to look it up on the App Store, right? But there are plenty of ways and plenty of options to pick between, right? So there are more ways how you can make that work. For example, there is a nice photo editor called Hypic, which is actually being developed by the creator of the CapCut video editor, if you know that one. And it's actually a very good app, so you can try to download it, and in there you can import your photo into the editor. Choose the effects at the bottom, and you can pick the blur category. And there are actually so many different types of the blur, but you can see that when you apply it, it kind of like applies it to the whole thing. You can probably do some filtering and some masking to make sure that it only applies to some parts, but it's much more complicated. So if you want to play with that, you have the option to. But in my personal opinion, I think that the blur photo apps, if you look that up inside of the App Store, those are going to be like the best ways to make that work. Like there are so many different apps, but I personally use this one, which is literally called Blur Photo Effect, right? You can open it up like this, and in here you have the ability to just import your clips or photos as usual, and choose the brush tool where you select parts of the photo and decide where exactly you blur it, right? So you have so many different things, right? You just open up a new photo from your gallery like that, and you have the blur tools, and you can basically blur or unblur and have so many different ways to make that work. I really like this type of approach compared to the one where I have to mask it in things like Photoshop or Hypic. I can just use the brush like that and it's going to make it work. Yeah, I would really love to hear your thoughts and opinions below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.